Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is a work morning, but also a prank video and a prank morning and a prank day, in fact. And also, just a disclaimer: we work also, huh? Like we work only, but these few I think so fun things during work, in the middle of work, are just some things that you should do to just have some fun and enjoy beyond just the laptop screen, right? Because a little bit of fun is always very important. And before I begin, so me and my two other friends decided that we would wear pink today and traditional and twin a little bit. Randomly, there's no occasion, but we just thought of twinning. But as I said, today is a prank day. Now, why is it a prank day and who are we playing the prank on? So basically, y'all have seen Jillian and Maitri in my previous videos. If y'all haven't, then I'll link it in the description, and I'm very upset if y'all haven't watched it. But anyways, y'all still have time to make up, so go click on the links in the description and watch those videos with them. What we thought was that we would prank Maitri. So Jillian and I are the pranksters, and Maitri is sadly the victim of this prank. And the fun part is that we have been building this up since yesterday. Okay, so let me give you a little bit of a backstory. Jillian and I kind of work together on the same project. We have been given some like extra work, etc. And Maitri knows about this. But what she does not know is that since yesterday, all the texts that have been going to her are a part of the build up for the prank that we'll do today. What we told her was that we both, like Jillian and I, have some extra work, and we actually do have some extra work. But yesterday, what we did was that I first texted her. I was like, both Jillian and I have like the same work to do, but Jillian is putting all the work on me, though she already has less work to do, but she's not dividing the work properly. She's making me do her work as well, and I'm super pissed. I'm annoyed. I'm feeling really low. And then at night, Jillian texted her that Rashi has been like super annoyed at me. She's feeling low, and no, sorry, she's not talking to me properly. We had like an argument, and both of us think that the other person has more work and no one's going to do the work. And Jillian will say that I have more work and Rashi has less work, but still she's not doing the extra work. Blah blah blah. So basically, we made the extra work that we have, the topic, so that it's believable for her, because she knows that for the last 2 weeks we've been telling her that there's some backlog, etc., that's been going on. So that's why this topic would be a very good thing to prank her on, and she has already fallen for it. She is like कि क्या हो गया, बात कर लो ना एक दूसरे के साथ, they'll understand, they all will sort it out, what's the big deal, just talk to each other and sort it out. And we're like, it's not getting sorted out. So once I reach the office, Jillian and I will call Maitri, and let's then continue the prank, and let's add some more masala and trouble Maitri for the day. In my very patchy mirror, this is my outfit. A cute kurti. That's a very simple cute kurti, because you have to go to office, you have to work also, you have to be comfortable. And yeah, I really like these earrings of mine, and that's it. And this ring that I'm wearing. And yeah, I've worn this before, and I think it's the second or third time that I'm wearing it, but it's relatively new. Back with Jillian to prank.
Hi guys.
To prank.
Oh yeah,
Maitri.
prank Maitri.
And we have built it up very nicely,
Yeah.
like very nicely.
And she's really like.
And what did she
concerned.
tell you? Tell now, what did she tell you yesterday? She's very concerned. She's like, talk it out, like sort
She
it out.
was like, "अरे you guys talk ना एक दूसरे से जो
so
भी problem
much,
आ रहा है."
बाप रे, so many
And
messages.
she's like, "तो ही होगा ना sort." So
she
she's
has
very
written
concerned.
like Rashi wasn't even talking to me आज. She is like, talk it out, it'll be
She's like,
solved.
exactly क्या हुआ
And all of that. So she's quite low, my god, you long messages you have written full on, she has played it. And it's quite realistic.
Yeah, she believes it.
Yeah, she believes it. And also it's not like called her directly yesterday. Today we'll call her.
Yeah. So
That's
we've
the
been
coffee
building it
machine
up.
making noises. But yeah. But winning also. So if we go,
It's all
so the
very
thing is, we were planning on meeting her, but like this, if we meet her, she'll clearly understand we
Yeah,
are all like,
that
we are going to
we are
winning,
fine,
we planned
why
it, yeah,
it is,
why are they
that's
like doing this? So we're gonna call her now. She's just calling her.
This is an answer only.
I hope she answers though.
Hello. Hello. हाँ. हेलो सुनाई दे रहा है? अरे बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है यार इधर. मैंने कल तेरे को बोला था ना. अरे राशि बात ही नहीं करी है मेरे से अच्छे से. I don't know why.
मस्ती कर रहे हो कि सच्ची में है ये?
अरे मस्ती क्यों करेंगे, सच में बोल रही हूँ. पता नहीं क्या हो गया। अरे देख हम दोनों को इक्वली ऐसे काम दिया है ना, बट उसको लग रहा है कि मेरे को कम काम दिया है। ऐसा कुछ है नहीं, ऐसे कम क्यों मिलेगा मुझे? ऑब्वियसली विल बी प्रॉपरली डिवाइडेड ना, तो उसको लग रहा है उसके पास ज़्यादा काम है, मेरे को तो लग रहा है मेरे को ज़्यादा है, बट आई एम नॉट सेइंग ना। हाँ तो इसलिए तो तेरे को बताएगा, कुछ चेक करना होता हम लोग को। तो इसलिए अरे वो करेगी तो ना, वो खुद ही नहीं बात कर रही तो मैं कैसे करूँ? मतलब मैं इनिशिएट कर रही हूँ बट शी इज नॉट अप्लाइंग ऑन मी अच्छे से।
मैं उसको बोलूँ क्या कि एक बार बात कर ले।
हाँ हाँ तू ही से बात कर प्लीज, तू उसको ही कॉल कर। हाँ
हाँ तो किधर है अभी?
मैं तो अभी बाहर आई हूँ कॉफ़ी लेने।
तो ऑफिस में कि नहीं है?
हाँ नहीं ऑफिस में ही हूँ, इधर ही हूँ, बस कॉफ़ी लेना है। वो भी है, वो अभी नहीं बाजू में बैठे हुए बात ही नहीं कर रहे हैं। तो तू भी उसको कॉल करना, फिर ऐसे कैसे होगा?
हाँ मैं उसको बोलती हूँ
हाँ
कि मैं दोनों बैठ के बात करो, क्लियर करो जो भी है।
हाँ
अच्छा
ठीक है,
हाँ हाँ बाय।
चलो बाय। मजाक कर रही हूँ,
Starting, but you made it very believable. Thank God you did not laugh.
Yeah, that's what.
I hope she calls me. I
Yeah.
didn't text. I hope she
I
calls
told her,
me.
she was like, हाँ, she also there at work. So I was like, हाँ, she's also
हाँ,
there.
हाँ, yeah.
Come to get coffee and all.
She doesn't
So
know
let's
even
see.
I'm here with her to get the coffee.
I hope she calls you.
I hope she calls me. Yeah, I hope she calls me before I go inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so guys, the prank is going full on Maitri.
She got so scared.
Sarika, say hi.
This is Sarika's debut.
Yeah. But she's not in on the prank. She doesn't know about the prank. So basically, we're pranking Maitri. And we're telling her that basically we have been given extra work, okay? And Jillian is putting all the work on me. And now she's telling me, she's like, तुम दोनों बात करो. And I was, you know, Jillian called in the morning and she's like, you talk to Rashi. So then she texted me. So I was like, कि नहीं, but like, you know, Jillian is not listening and everything. You talk to her and all of that. So now the prank is on and she is very stressed. She's like, so you're not messaging on our group and everything, what's up and what's going on. So we are behaving all silent and all, as if we are having a real problem. So now I think it's time. We're gonna end it. We're gonna tell her that.
Yeah, in video call.
Yeah. Hello. How was the prank, Maitri?
How was the prank?
No, you did not. Yeah, you fell for it. Yeah, keep quiet. You fell for it. पर तुझे लगा ना कि हमने
थोड़े टाइम के लिए तो तुझे लगा कि हाँ कुछ तो सीरियस हुआ है।
अरे बट प्रैंक था, तेरे पे कुछ हुआ ही नहीं. I think she thinks that it was like we sorted it out and prank. I'm not understanding what she's understood or not because she's saying did we sort it out, but we told her it's a prank.
हेलो अरे ब्रो प्रैंक था वो, तू नेवर फॉट ऑन मी।
पर तू क्या बोल रही है कि सॉर्ट, पर तू क्या बोल रही है सॉर्ट हुआ
मस्ती में बोल रही थी, मस्ती में।
अच्छा इवन शी वाज डूइंग मस्ती. अच्छा मस्त था ना. तो यू फेल फॉर इट ना, यू फेल फॉर इट ना.
ऐसे आग से ऐसे तूने मेरे को पूछा ना कि प्रैंक तो नहीं है कॉल पे, जब तूने मेरे को कॉल किया था, जब मैंने तेरे को कॉल किया था। हाँ वो हमें कब का
हमें एक वीक से हमने डिसाइड किया था तुझ पे प्रैंक करना है. हाँ बट तू और कुछ बिलीव नहीं करती है, तुझे पता है ना कि वैसे भी थोड़ा वर्क प्रेशर है और वो सब. हाँ तो मस्त पॉइंट था ढूंढने के लिए. अरे वो स्कूल कॉलेज फ्रेंड मैत्री इज कॉलिंग. अरे इसने गलत मैत्री को फोन लगा दिया तेरे इसमें.
अच्छा और किसके साथ किया है?
बस तेरे साथ ही, तू ही है विक्टिम. So yeah, that was it for the video. It's the next day now and I thought of doing the outro because we didn't really do a proper outro. Oh my god, I look so sleepy and tired right now. I mean, I remember not doing an outro because then we went back to work and everything. But I mean, it ended quite nicely. She fell for it, but she also somewhere thought that we were pranking on her. But it was honestly fun. We had so much fun pranking her and we had a great time pranking her. At least Jillian and I had so much fun. So yeah, we built it up and we did quite a few things to prank her. So it was honestly lots of fun. Like we had lots of fun doing it. And comment down below for more such prank videos. Give me ideas if you all have any on what I can do to prank my friends. And yeah, more nice videos coming your way. At least we had so much fun, and I hope you all had fun as well watching it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.